Know what silly is? That's silly. Let me hear you say, now that was silly. Then you can join in and sing yourself silly. Yes, gang, that song was silly. But silly songs are no laughing matter. To write them, it takes a genius. Or darn music. What was that, gang?
Come on, it's the latest, it's the greatest, it's the only place to be. It's the Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree. Nothing to it, you can do it. Come on, everybody, try it. At the Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree. The Honker Ducky Dinger Jamboree. Dudes and dudettes, it's the Sesame Street Dance Along. Cool dances of Sesame Street with the totally cool Sesame Street demonstration dancers. Big Bird and the Kids.
Oh, yeah. Well, welcome to the Sesame Street Dance-Along. Yay! Thank you. Today, we're going to show you some really great dances like the bird call boogie and the batty bat. Yeah. And you can dance along with us. The first dance is going to be really great. It's the pig trot.
Okay, get up and walk with us.
Red, pink, Oyster Sisters!
Wow. Well, that was simple, but tough. Okay, everybody up off the floor, and then grab a bath towel. You can get one too, because we're going to do the batty bat. Now, who could ever forget the batty bat? I could. Count. What is the batty bat?
The batty bat, my fine feather friend, is our trend.
What's Bat Day?
Well, that's when you go to the baseball stadium and get a free bat. That's where I got Luma, right, darling?
Gee, Count, well, could you remind us all how to do the batty bat?
When I sing 1, 2, 3, turn around the floor. Yeah, keep turning. And with the bat saying batty bat, you also flap your bat towel. Bat wings. Yes, wonderful.
Okay, everybody keep turning. Let's go bats.
1, 2, 3, spread out the gig. 1, 2, 3, twirl round.
Okay, you can stop stopping. Okay. Now the next dance is for the birds. We're going to have some music, and you're going to dance to the music, and after the duck goes, you'll do the same thing. Pretend you're a duck and you answer, and then after the chicken goes, good, then you're going to be a chicken and answer. And the same goes for when Hoots the owl goes, hoot, hoot, and dance. You'll see. Here we go. Oh, hi. Oh, we're stretching because it's time to dance again. So stand up for the Any Way You Feel dance. Now jump! Yes, jump all you can because it's the Birdland Jump.
Stretch your wings above. You ain't got wings, but just you jump, jump, jump where you sneeze now. Jump, jump, it's a breeze now. Jump.
Back and
Do them again. In the meantime, just keep dancing.
Jump in a crouch now. Feel the beat, oh, jump, jump. Make your feet go bump, bump, bump. Do the Birdland jump. One more time. Well, jump, jump, jump with your wings in the air. Well, jump, 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 wave your wings in the air. Jump, jump, don't be a fool, yeah, jump, jump, don't snooze off, jump, jump.